Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a standout in the off-road motorcycle world, the 2026 Honda CRF500, known for its powerful performance and versatile handling. The CRF500 has long been a favorite among motocross and trail riders alike. The 2026 model builds on this legacy with upgraded technology and refined design. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this CRF500 is more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda CRF500 features a modern, aggressive look that emphasizes its racing pedigree. The bodywork has been refined for better ergonomics and weight distribution, while updated graphics and color options give it a bold, standout appearance. The lightweight frame and sleek fenders enhance agility and ensure the bike looks as dynamic on the track as it performs. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 CRF500 is powered by a high-performance 500cc four-stroke engine designed for smooth throttle response and strong mid-range torque. The engine is paired with a responsive transmission and upgraded suspension, giving riders superior control on rough trails and tracks. Weight reduction and chassis improvements make handling sharper and jumps more controlled, perfect for aggressive off-road riding. Safety and technology. Honda continues to prioritize rider control and safety. The CRF500 comes with advanced suspension components, reinforced frame sections, and improved braking systems for better stability and durability. Ergonomic adjustments and precision handling features reduce rider fatigue, making long rides safer and more enjoyable. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CRF500 remains a top choice for off-road enthusiasts, combining high performance, modern design, and thoughtful updates. Whether you're hitting motocross tracks or exploring challenging trails, this bike is built to deliver thrilling rides every time. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that matter most.